Wow, that's pretty close. Just get rid of the wax then. Where didn't the block fall? I usually tell people just set it to that angle, to that angle. Just that's all you have to do is that angle. The only reason I put it on here is I like that angle. The difference is this angle and this angle are different. So it really doesn't matter, but I put it to that angle. That's what we're looking for. Close enough. I want the handle to be about that long. The bottom to be there. There. Make sure you chew your tongue. Pretty curls. Inch and a quarter. Eighth. Where's the mark? Means we're going to need tick mark. Hey, hey, hey. I like it. Wrong direction. How am I getting the wrong direction both ways? This iron just that dull? That iron's just that dull. Come on, go where I want you to. There you go. I look for things I need to do a little better, like this one. Yeah, that's going to look rather pretty, huh? Happy. Rosewood. Put more in here. I like that. There you have it. A joiner's mallet. I've made quite a few of these recently, and I really enjoy it. This one is actually going to a friend of the channel. He is trading me a set of 46, the Stanley 46 irons for this, and I'm really looking forward to playing with those, and I'm hoping he's liking this. This is made out of walnut and Bolivian rosewood, not Brazilian, but Bolivian. It's the stuff that's not endangered, and it's a really fun wood to work with. It's very dense, very hard, and gives a nice shine to it. Really kind of a beautiful wood. So I hope you like this, but if you do have any questions or thoughts and things I could have done better, throw those down in the comments down below. Or you can go over to the how-to channel. On there I actually talk through the whole build, what I'm doing it, why I'm thinking, what are the choices I make. So if you want to see that specifically, then I'll leave links to that down below. But if you do want to help out the channel and go even farther than being a comment, think about joining the names over here. Those are some of the patrons on Patreon. And between patrons and members and people who've clicked thank you down below, you guys are allowing this channel to continue. We are completely sponsored by you. And without you, we wouldn't be here. So if you like that and would like to keep the channel going, think about joining those fantastic, wonderful, benevolent people over there. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Moses supposes his handle is rosewood, as Moses is correct. For once, actually, he is. It's rosewood.